Jordan Peterson, 7 Harsh Realities That Nobody Talks About. Jordan Peterson has spoken about various harsh realities in his work, often emphasizing the importance of confronting difficult truths in order to improve one's life. In 7 Harsh Realities That Nobody Talks About, he might cover topics such as the inevitability of suffering is a central theme in Jordan Peterson's work. He argues that suffering is an unavoidable part of life and that everyone will encounter it in various forms, whether through personal loss, health issues, or other challenges. Rather than trying to escape or deny suffering, Peterson suggests that acknowledging and confronting it head-on is crucial for personal growth and resilience. He often emphasizes the importance of developing coping mechanisms, such as building strong relationships, finding meaningful work, and adopting a disciplined approach to life. By facing suffering with courage and responsibility, individuals can gain a deeper understanding of themselves and their place in the world, leading to a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Jordan Peterson emphasizes the importance of responsibility over entitlement as a way to lead a meaningful and productive life. Here's a breakdown of his perspective on this concept. Ownership of actions. Peterson argues that individuals should take full responsibility for their actions, decisions, and their consequences. This means acknowledging mistakes, learning from them, and making amends where necessary. Rejecting victimhood. Instead of seeing oneself as a victim of external circumstances, Peterson encourages people to focus on what they can control and change. He believes that adopting a mindset of responsibility helps individuals regain a sense of agency and empowerment. Work and contribution. Emphasizing responsibility involves taking ownership of one's work and contributions to society. Peterson often discusses how hard work and striving to make a positive impact are more beneficial than expecting rewards or recognition without effort. Moral and ethical conduct. Responsibility extends to how one interacts with others and contributes to the community. Acting with integrity and ethical principles is crucial in building trust and respect in relationships. Facing challenges. Embracing responsibility means accepting the challenges and difficulties that come with life rather than avoiding them. Peterson suggests that facing these challenges head-on can lead to personal growth and development. By focusing on responsibility rather than entitlement, individuals can cultivate resilience, develop a strong sense of purpose, and create a more fulfilling and self-directed life. Jordan Peterson's concept of the role of chaos and order is a key aspect of his philosophical and psychological views. He sees life as a dynamic interplay between these two forces. Order. This represents stability, structure, and predictability. Order is associated with routine, rules, and the established ways of doing things that provide a sense of security and predictability. It helps individuals navigate their daily lives and maintain a semblance of control. Chaos. In contrast, chaos symbolizes the unknown, unpredictability, and change. Chaos represents the potential for new opportunities, growth, and transformation, but it also comes with uncertainty and potential risks. It's the realm of creativity and innovation, where things are not yet defined or understood. Balance. Peterson argues that a meaningful life requires a balance between chaos and order. Too much order can lead to stagnation and rigidity, while too much chaos can result in confusion and instability. Finding a balance involves maintaining a stable structure while remaining open to new experiences and ideas. Personal growth. Navigating the balance between chaos and order is crucial for personal development. Engaging with chaos in a controlled way allows individuals to explore new possibilities and adapt to change, while a solid foundation of order helps them stay grounded and focused. Cultural and psychological frameworks. Peterson often discusses how cultures and societies create frameworks of order to manage the chaos of existence. These frameworks, including laws, traditions, and social norms, help individuals understand their roles and responsibilities within a larger context. Overall, Peterson's perspective suggests that embracing both chaos and order is essential for growth, adaptation, and finding meaning in life. Balancing these elements allows individuals to thrive in an ever-changing world. Jordan Peterson's discussion on the limits of empathy often revolves around the idea that while empathy is a valuable and important trait, it has its boundaries and cannot always solve problems or address deeper issues. Here's a closer look at his views. Empathy versus action. Peterson argues that while empathy allows us to understand and share in the feelings of others, it doesn't necessarily lead to effective action or solutions. Feeling compassion for someone in distress is important, but it's often more helpful to focus on practical ways to address their problems rather than solely on emotional support. Empathy and boundaries. Excessive empathy can sometimes lead to emotional burnout or enable unhealthy behaviors. For instance, if one constantly absorbs and reacts to the suffering of others without setting personal boundaries, it can be detrimental to their own well-being. Empathy and responsibility. Peterson suggests that empathy should be balanced with personal responsibility and rational problem-solving. Instead of just feeling for someone, taking constructive steps to help them or addressing the underlying issues can be more effective. Limits of emotional understanding. Empathy involves understanding another person's emotional state, but it doesn't always provide a complete understanding of their situation or the complexities involved. Rational analysis and critical thinking are also necessary to fully address issues. Practical solutions. Peterson often emphasizes the importance of combining empathy with practical, actionable solutions. Providing support and understanding is important, but it should be paired with concrete efforts to improve situations and outcomes. In summary, while empathy is a crucial aspect of human interaction and support, Peterson believes it should be complemented by practical action, personal boundaries, and a rational approach to solving problems. Jordan Peterson argues that finding and pursuing meaning is essential for leading a fulfilling and resilient life. Here's a summary of his views on the necessity of meaning. Purpose and direction. Peterson asserts that having a sense of purpose gives life direction and motivation. Meaning provides individuals with a reason to persevere through challenges and difficulties, helping them to overcome adversity. Coping with suffering. Meaning is crucial for coping with the inevitable suffering in life. When people find a deeper purpose or significance in their experiences, they can endure hardships more effectively and maintain their psychological well-being. Personal responsibility. Peterson often connects the pursuit of meaning with personal responsibility. By setting meaningful goals and taking ownership of their actions, individuals can create a sense of purpose and achieve a more fulfilling life. Growth and development. Meaningful goals and pursuits often lead to personal growth and self-improvement. Engaging in activities that align with one's values and interests can lead to a deeper sense of satisfaction and achievement. Social and cultural impact. Peterson also highlights the role of meaning in contributing to social and cultural frameworks. Meaningful work and relationships enhance social cohesion and contribute to the overall well-being of communities. Existential reflection. Peterson's ideas are influenced by existential philosophy, which emphasizes the importance of finding personal meaning in the face of life's inherent uncertainties and challenges. In essence, Peterson believes that meaning is a fundamental component of a well-lived life. It provides motivation, helps individuals navigate suffering, and fosters personal and societal growth. Jordan Peterson places a strong emphasis on the importance of discipline as a cornerstone of a successful and meaningful life. Here's an overview of his views on why discipline is crucial. Achievement of goals. Discipline is essential for setting and achieving personal and professional goals. It involves consistently applying effort, adhering to a plan, and staying focused despite distractions or setbacks. Building habits. Discipline helps in forming and maintaining good habits, which are foundational for long-term success. By establishing routines and adhering to them, individuals can build productive behaviors that lead to significant accomplishments. Personal responsibility. Peterson connects discipline with personal responsibility. He argues that taking control of one's actions and making deliberate choices requires discipline. It's about holding oneself accountable and avoiding excuses. Resilience. Discipline contributes to resilience by helping individuals endure challenges and difficulties. It fosters mental toughness and the ability to push through adversity, which is vital for overcoming obstacles. Self-regulation. Discipline involves self-regulation and control over impulses and desires. By practicing self-discipline, individuals can make better decisions, avoid procrastination, and manage their time and resources more effectively. Structure and stability. Discipline provides structure and stability in life. It helps create a framework within which individuals can operate efficiently, reducing chaos and providing a sense of order and control. Personal growth. Engaging in disciplined practices fosters personal growth and self-improvement. It encourages continuous learning, skill development, and the pursuit of excellence. In summary, Peterson views discipline as a vital component for achieving goals, building effective habits, taking responsibility, and navigating life's challenges. It's a key factor in personal development and creating a stable, productive life. Jordan Peterson's views on the reality of competition emphasize its inescapable and integral role in life. Here's a summary of his perspective. Inherent in life, Peterson argues that competition is a fundamental aspect of human existence. Whether in professional settings, social interactions, or personal achievements, competition drives progress and motivates individuals to strive for excellence. Motivation and improvement. Competition can serve as a powerful motivator, pushing individuals to improve their skills, work harder, and achieve their goals. It encourages people to develop their talents and reach their potential. Acceptance of reality. Peterson emphasizes the importance of accepting competition as a reality rather than resisting it. By acknowledging its presence, individuals can better prepare themselves to handle challenges and navigate their environment effectively. Resilience and adaptability. Engaging in competition helps build resilience and adaptability. It teaches individuals how to handle setbacks, deal with failure, and continue striving despite difficulties. Ethical considerations. While competition is a natural part of life, Peterson also underscores the importance of competing ethically and with integrity. Fair play and respect for others are essential for maintaining healthy and constructive competition. Role in societal progress. Competition plays a crucial role in societal progress and innovation. It drives advancements in technology, science, and various fields by encouraging individuals and organizations to push boundaries and seek new solutions. Balancing competition and cooperation. Peterson acknowledges that while competition is important, it should be balanced with cooperation and collaboration. Both elements are necessary for achieving long-term success and building meaningful relationships. In essence, Peterson views competition as an inevitable and beneficial aspect of life that drives personal and societal growth. Embracing it, while maintaining ethical standards and balancing it with cooperation, can lead to greater achievement and development. These points reflect Peterson's broader themes about confronting reality, taking personal responsibility, and finding meaning.